In today's video, we're going to be working on this toilet. The issue we're having is when we flush the toilet, it just takes a really long time to fill up, and you can hear the fill valve just continually hissing. We're going to remove the lid so we can see the inside of our tank, just to kind of look at the different components. See here, there is a lot of corrosion and buildup. When you pull this hose out, there should be water pouring out of the hose, but you can see that's not the case. A lot of times what happens is, because of the corrosion, the water will just kind of spill out over here and down. And once the water fills up to the proper level, this is what turns off or stops the water flow from going inside of the tank. We're going to turn the water supply off by turning the angle stop to the off position. And you can see here the water has stopped. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flush the toilet. The reason we're doing this is, even though we turn the water supply off by turning the angle stop off, you always want to make sure that there is no water coming out. So this is a close-up view of the bottom or the base of the fill valve. I'm going to pull the float up. You can see that little ring right there. This is the ring that secures our fill valve here at the stem. What we're going to do is we're going to push it up towards your face, and once you push it up, that will loosen it and you can pull it right out. So here I got it a little closer. Push that up. And then from the top, we're just going to wiggle it out. There's going to be water still on the inside. This is our new fill valve. And we're going to do the same procedure here. We're going to pull our clip up and we're going to pull the stem apart. And now we're going to put our new fill valve in. We're going to do the same procedure. Just going to slide the fill valve into the stem. And here's the clip right here. We're going to push that down. And once you do that, you give it a nice tug from the top. Make sure it's nice and secure. This is the hose that comes with your fill valve in the packaging. You're going to take one end, you're going to secure it right here. Little nozzle coming out. You're going to fill it in right there. And then we're just going to slide it in to the top. Now we're going to turn the water to the on position. You can see it's filling up really fast. Here I'll pull the hose up so you can see it. So here we just want to make sure that we have enough water in our tank so when we flush the toilet, it'll clear any restrictions. What I also like about these fill valves is they have a little knob here, or lever, so you can adjust the water. If you want more water, just turn it. Now here I'm also going to inspect the toilet handle. This toilet handle is fine, it's just a little bit of discoloration from the calcium buildup. But I do want to replace the flapper. We're going to turn the water off again. Once you do that, flush the toilet. To remove the flapper, you just got to remove the sides. Remove the clip from the toilet handle. This is our new flapper. It's going to be the same exact model. Just going to put our new flapper back on. Now we're going to just make our cut for our chain link. You just want it to have enough where it has a little bit of play so that you can flush your toilet. When you connect it, you're just going to connect it right into the hole that is already on your toilet handle. You're just going to feed it right through. You do want a little bit of play. Turn the angle stop back on. Once you finish, go ahead and flush your toilet. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.